This is our jungle, the largest and most secluded area in our entire world. It is a forest so big that if you were dropped right in the middle of it, it would take you 472 days to get out of it. And it doesn't matter how small or how big these animals are that you will meet during this journey. All of them are killer animals, and they all want to attack you because they all live in the Amazon. Even a tiny ant here is enough to take your life. This forest is one of the most lonely places in our world. It consists of 55 lakh square kilometers of land. The size you can imagine here can easily accommodate 37 countries like Bangladesh, 2 countries like India, and 157 countries like Dubai. This forest is spread across 8 countries, and its last border is America, Colombia, Guyana, Brazil, Peru, and Bolivia. You may be surprised to think that our whole world is alive with the breath of the living creatures of the earth. 20% of its oxygen comes from this Amazon forest. This forest of 40,000 species of plants where nature is the only king.
So everything that happens here is in the mysterious laws of nature. So in today's video, we are going to tell you all the secrets about Amazon jungle that you may have never heard before. In fact, how big is the Amazon jungle, and is it home to some killer animals that have made their dens in this jungle for thousands of years? If you want to know, you are requested to watch the video in full. And new friends must press the subscribe text on the side and select all options of the bell icon. Although the Amazon rainforest covers an area of 55 lakh square kilometers, but if you think about walking along its borders, you have to cover 9,500 kilometers. That means traveling from Mumbai to New Delhi 7 times, and from Dhaka to Borisov 51 times. Amazon forest is so big and dense that it is called rainforest, because there is not a single week in the year that it does not rain here. The Amazon jungle is so dense that it hits the ground 10 minutes after it rains on the trees. And because of this dense forest, even during the day, our jungles are almost as dark as the night, because this dense forest prevents the sunlight from entering. So a forest where there is a lot of rain and dense plants that house animals are not found in many regions.
This forest is home to 40,000 species of plants, 1,300 species of birds, 2,200 species of fish, 270 species of mammals, and 380 species of strange and terrifying small animals. There are more than 25 lakh different venomous insects in this region if we talk about small venomous animals. This forest is as beautiful from the outside as it is terrifying from the inside, because it can be anything at any time that small and big animals live in it. They are more dangerous than you think if a human makes a mistake in this jungle. Upon entering, the first thing he will meet in this forest is the green anaconda.
This green anaconda is the longest and most poisonous snake species in the world. It's 33 feet tall and weighs 250 kilograms. And one of the most terrifying aspects of this snake is that it can swallow alive an animal larger than itself. No one has yet ascertained how many such snakes there are in our jungles. Apart from anacondas, more venomous snake species like cobras and pythons are also found in this forest. You have been bitten by an ant at least once in your life. If that ant is poisoned, then you know the pain. But there is one type of ant found in our jungle. Bullet ant is a type of ant that you cannot tolerate being bitten by, which is found in the forest. And they hide poisonous poison in their body. They are called the largest ant in the world, which is 4 centimeters long. If for some reason this ant bites a person, then that person will suffer a lot of pain, and that person may die. Bullet ant is said to be the reason why so many people have been bitten by it till date. They compared these ant bites to gunshots.
As if a gunshot had hit the wound. Thousands of miles long, this forest is the second largest river in the world. And the first largest river in the world, according to the flow of water, is the Amazon River. The length of this river is 6,840 kilometers. The water that rains throughout the year in the entire forest flows through this river to the sea at a depth of approximately 329 feet. Thousands of the world's most dangerous crocodiles live in this river,
who will go to any situation to satisfy their hunger. If you know, you will be surprised that 219,000 cubic meters of water pass in 1 second in Amazon River.
And this amount of water you can do with a guess that the world's largest swimming pool, City Star Sharm el-Sheikh, which is located in Egypt, passed from this pool. Amazon can be filled in just 1 second by water. You can compare the amount of water flowing from the Amazon River into the ocean with 40 other rivers in the world, which means the water of one river is equal to 40 rivers. Due to the absence of human beings, the Amazon River is a home to several rare species of animals. The most special, pink dolphin, is about 9 feet long and weighs 200 kilograms. These dolphins are faster than other dolphins, and their intelligence is higher than others because their brains are very intelligent. Although all dolphins can easily mingle with humans, these animals of the Amazon River have also attacked humans. Scientists and experts have many proofs that a type of fish has been living in this river for the past 2,800 years. They are called electric eels. Oddly enough, these fish have a speciality:
that they deliver electric shocks to their predators. That electric shock has so far been measured at 860 volts. There have been many incidents in the Amazon River where electric eels have given high-voltage electric shocks to humans and killed not only humans, but they can also attack fish. They attack animals over 100 times their body weight. An electric shock can kill anyone in front of them instantly. Experts believe that a nervous system can be easily shut down by this electric eel's 860 volts.
But a marathon swimmer named Martin Estelle crossed the entire Amazon River in satire. Yes, the terrible Amazon River where thousands of terrible crocodiles, electric eels, and those terrible snakes lived. But how did Martin cross this terrible river? He also set this record in just 66 days in 2007 when he chose this monstrous river Amazon to set the most dangerous record. In a whole day, he would swim in the Amazon River for 10 hours and rest the rest of the time on the banks. According to Myrtle, this fearsome river is home to huge snakes, jungle crocodiles, electric eels, and many other dangerous creatures. To escape from them, they need to turn their attention, so a group of them used to spread pieces of meat around the edge to attract them towards it. There is also a river in the Amazon jungle whose water always boils. 6.5 kilometers long, this river emits smoke from the water. Located in the part of the Amazon that falls within the country of Peru, the water temperature in this river is 90 to 100 degrees Celsius, where any food can be cooked, and the water is boiling throughout the year. But the reason for this is still unknown, but there are about 600 people living in this terrible Amazon jungle that people hunt from the Amazon jungle. This is how they make a living. Among them, there are some groups of people who have never met the people of the civilized world till today. When a civilized person suddenly appears in front of them, they react as if they are seeing something like this for the first time. There are many mysterious images in the Amazon that show such shapes over many areas when viewed from satellites. These shapes are also called geoglyphs. Some of these geoglyphs extend from 1 to 5 kilometers across, and more than 300 such geoglyphs can be found in the Amazon jungle. A separate video needs to be made about why these shapes were actually created and made by Amazon. If you think so, you can write part 2 in our comment box. If you liked today's video, you can give it a like. So, see you in the next new episode. Thanks.